Hey all, it's Matt from Style Factory here, your go-to source for e-commerce advice. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the best Shopify themes. I'll be focusing on some of the most popular e-commerce niches, but all of the themes I'm going to highlight can be adapted easily for use in any sector. If you've got your own thoughts on what the best Shopify themes are, do leave them in the comments. Okay, let's start with the best Shopify themes for a clothing store. Clothing is one of Shopify's biggest and most profitable niches, frequently cited as the top earning category on the platform and for online stores in general. For a free theme that works great for a clothing store, check out Fabric. It's part of Shopify's new Horizon collection and feels like something straight out of a boutique lookbook. It features clean grid layouts and bold photography, and it loads really quickly on mobile devices. Despite being free, Fabric performs like a premium theme, with drag-and-drop editing, advanced filters, and immersive media blocks. It's perfect if you're an emerging brand that wants polish without paying for it. If you have a bit of a budget to play with, it's worth taking a look at the Impulse theme. This costs $400 and is a proven bestseller. It gives you access to striking hero banners, lookbooks, and mega menus. All great for showcasing collections and running promotions. It also gives you built-in pop-ups, countdown timers, and video sections. So, Fabric if you're starting out, Impulse if you want to give your visitors that luxury store experience. If you're interested in using either of these themes, you'll find direct links to them in the video description. Next up, my favorite dropshipping themes. With dropshipping themes, speed and scalability are everything. And Shopify's free Horizon theme nails both. It's lightweight, mobile-ready, and works beautifully with hundreds of supplier apps like Deezer's and Spocket. The modular sections and predictive search make it ideal for large, fast-changing catalogs. If you'd rather use a premium option, I'd recommend Warehouse, which is priced at $320. This theme is designed for stores with thousands of SKUs, and it gives you enterprise-grade filtering, trust badges, and super fast collection pages. If either theme sounds like a good fit for your project, you'll find direct links to both in the video description. Now, let's move on to jewelry themes. Selling jewelry online is all about showcasing craftsmanship and instilling emotions. And a free theme that does both really well is Ritual. It has that high-end boutique vibe. This is thanks to its full bleed imagery, elegant spacing, and zoomable product shots that really show off your materials. It's fast, responsive, and easy to tweak. If you'd prefer something even more refined though, take a look at Onyx. This premium theme, which costs $400, offers 38 customizable sections, sticky add to cart buttons, and beautiful serif typography that gives your store an editorial, luxury feel. If you'd like to take either for a spin, you'll find links to both in the video description. Next up, fashion themes. For fashion labels, two themes stand out. First up, we have Heritage, a free theme with asymmetric, editorial layouts that feel tactile and modern. It layers text and imagery like a magazine spread, but still keeps the shopping experience smooth and intuitive. Then there's Stiletto, a premium option priced at $380. Created by Fluorescent Design, it's one of Shopify's most glamorous templates, with serif type, cinematic imagery, lookbooks, and built-in fit guides. If you want your Shopify store to feel like a digital fashion magazine, Stiletto's your pick. Again, you'll find links to both themes in the video description. Finally, let's talk print-on-demand themes. For a clean, free option for POD stores, consider Spotlight. It's minimal, image-focused, and works seamlessly with services like Printful, Printify, and Gelato. In other words, perfect for creators who want to launch fast without fuss. For a more professional option, consider using Streamline. Priced at $400, it's packed with motion effects, sticky carts, and inline video, but still well optimized for mobile. It's a really good theme for making your POD creations look tangible and high value. As with the other themes I've discussed, I've included links to both in the description. So that's my roundup of the best Shopify themes for 2025. You'll find links to them all in the video description, along with a link to a special, extendable Shopify trial. If you're building your first online store, do check out our Shopify Startup Kit. It's packed with checklists, videos, and expert tips to help you launch your store the right way. There's a link to this in the video description too. And finally, if you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you could give it a like and subscribe or follow wherever you're watching it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.